Moderator of the General Assembly of the Presbyterian Church of Ghana, Right Reverend Dr. Abraham Nana Opare Kwakye, has embarked on a pastoral visit to the North America and Australia Presbytery, spanning January 23 to February 2, 2026. The moderator arrived in Sydney, Australia, at the Kingsford Smith International Airport, where he received a warm official welcome from the North America and Australia Presbytery, Reverend Christian B. Appentin, the Australia District Minister, Reverend Kwejo Osei Bonsu, and members of the Presbyterian Church community in Australia. The visit is aimed at strengthening fellowship among diaspora congregations, enhancing pastoral care, and reaffirming the Presbyterian Church of Ghana's commitment to global mission and discipleship. It forms part of the moderator's annual pastoral itinerary and follows his previous pastoral engagement in Ghana in late 2025. As part of the itinerary, the moderator is expected to worship with congregations, meet church leaders, dedicate worship centers, and encourage members to remain steadfast in faith and active in ministry within their communities. The pastoral mission also includes a visit to Perth, Western Australia, where he is being hosted by the Grace Worship Center under the leadership of Reverend Engineer Stephen Asante Domfe. Church leaders have described the visits as timely and inspiring, reinforcing the Presbyterian Church of Ghana's vision of nurturing its growing diaspora membership. The visit underscores the church's ongoing commitment to maintaining strong spiritual ties with Presbyterians across continents while advancing the mission of spreading the gospel.